Let me show you how to recreate the perfect childhood egg fried rice, the kind that takes you straight back to grandma's kitchen with every single bite. Start by heating oil in your pan until it shimmers. Pour in 2 well-whisked eggs and immediately begin scrambling them into soft, fluffy cuts. The key is constant motion. This creates those perfect tender pieces rather than rubbery chunks. Now add exactly 30 scallion pieces. The precise amount might sound unusual, but it creates the ideal aroma balance. The scissor as they hit the pan releases those essential oils that form the foundation of great fried rice. This method keeps things incredibly simple while delivering maximum flavor. Here is the secret weapon: pre-seasoned preserved vegetables, what we call grandma's mix. This traditional blend already contains all the necessary seasonings, eliminating any guesswork. No additional salt, no extra sauces, just authentic balanced flavor. Add your rice and keep the heat high. The preserved vegetables distribute evenly, coating every grain with that distinctive savory sweet taste we remember from childhood. 2 to 3 minutes of constant toasting is all it takes. Finish with fresh scallions and cilantros for brightness. The final toast brings everything together: the fluffy eggs, the savory rice, the aromatic vegetables, all working in perfect harmony. What you get is not just food, it is a time machine in a bowl. Each bite delivers that perfect texture, contrast, and layered flavor that makes you keep coming back for more. This is the kind of comfort food that never gets old.